Hey everybody, it's me, Tommy, working on my van. We're in Chalmette today. I'm working on my van and Will's working on his truck. Hey! So you can see right underneath my dash here, that's the brake pedal you're seeing, but also behind it, I drilled through the firewall to have this cable go to my alternator battery link so that I could actually power my DC to DC charger and charge my battery set. Now there are two wires there. The thicker wire was ran for when it was a police van here. Like when it was the original prison van, they used this for a handicap lift. But this lighter one, which is a 4-gauge wire, that's running down all the way down there. And I drilled a hole through the firewall. So it's right there. The wire is hidden behind the steering column plate there. I had to drill a hole right through the firewall. This is the wire that goes to the DC to DC charger. And I did route that wire through here, but then it goes under the running board and out through there somewhere where you could see the wire poking out. When I drilled the wall, the firewall, I tried using a regular bit, it wasn't working. It was almost burning out the drill. So I used a step bit, and that cut through like it was Swiss cheese, like all the way through. And it worked really well, and I'm glad that Will has a step bit in his toolkit. Well, another thing I'm trying is I actually hooked up my batteries just all haphazardly because I want to make sure the shunt's working after driving. I wanted to make sure the BMS is working, and I just set up a small ground system and the inverter. Now, nothing's running to the shunt right now for draw power, and nothing's charging. So this is just to set up to see the battery voltage as we're using the inverter, because we're using the inverter to clean something out of the engine over on the E450 that Will owns as his tool truck. You can see the engine right here, but if you go on top of it where we removed the headers, you could see all that dirt and nails and crap and stuff, which is not good. And this is Will hooking up the vacuum, because we're using the vacuum to vacuum out this engine. Now, if you didn't see it before, this is the whole view of Will's car. So you can see this is the inside, and you can tell it's a van body, but this is where the headers are going in. So we have new gaskets down there for the headers. These are the old headers, and you can see the bad damage. Oh. This is the intake manifold, and right there you can see stuff broken off. Hi everybody, I just parked back where I park normally, right in front of all my friends here. I did get some packages today from neighbor's mailbox. This is a Dremel tool. It's kind of cheap though. I don't know if it's gonna work all the way. And then also, I got my new mini keyboard that broke in my house a long time ago. So I'm gonna use this in the van for my media center. So anyway, I hope everyone's doing good out there. And I hope you keep on watching my videos. And then I'm gonna do more videos tomorrow. Have a great day.